Okay, second game for the day. Muli po tayo ngayon. Again, this is your host with your Arvin G Vlogs. You're watching right now the third season of Aviation Friendly League, Doubles of Flying League. And for the second game for today is between from GAS or General Aviation Service Dub, clad in white, red, and combination. Laban pa sa Los Hermanos, clad in white and green combination. Okay po tayo yun. First second game na po tayo yun. Los Hermanos versus GAS. GAS versus Hermanos. First quarter action. Okay, ball now with Hermanos. Hermanos ball. Barks to Fauny. Fauny thinking 3. No muna, wag muna raw. Matangkad ang kalaban. Ayan. Kay number 12 pops up. 2 points number 12. Number 12, 2 points. Wala si Pabilano. Go zone. Driving it strong. Palpal. Pero may foul. Foul. You're watching right now this game, Hermanos and GAS, and after this po is the Hub and Airport United. Two shots para kay Gozun. Pops up, kapos. Sobra. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumper straight para Gozun, pops up. Pasok, first shot. 2-0 ang score. 2-1 ngayon. Laman pa rin po ang Hermanos na isa. Number 8, Pakinggan. No good, piniwersa ang bola. Kay number 3. Number 5, nagbababa ng bola ng GAS. Nice kick. Nice cut by number 7. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha ni Benji. Benji pops up. 2 points. Number 29. Hermanos, 1-4 score. Okay, dumating na rin po ang rest of the pack ngayon ng GAS. Goes in for 3. No good. And rebound battle won by Barks. Barks, may tangan ng bola si Barks. Number 29. Benji. Barks. Benji. Against Gozun. Benji. Side step. Side sing. Fauny. Slicing. Dicing. Topping. No good. Number 17. That's a rebound to Mr. Gozun. Gozun! Tapos! To Benji, to number 29 ng Hermanos, kay number 12. Nice shot by number 12. Again, nice steal by Pakinggan. Pakinggan, nice steal again to Fauny. 7 minutes 49 remaining, first quarter action. Walang pinasahan. Balik muli po ang bola sa GAS. Aris Hill is watching. Sir Alex, wala kayo, sir? Genovia, kumakat po yung isa. 7 to Genovia again. Now to Gozun for 3. No good. Rebound battle won by number 12. Number 12, may tangan ng bola. Benji, driving. Number 12, pinabantay ng Todon. Then to Benji again. Benji driving. Pakinggan. To Benji. Number 12 again. No good. Nakakuha ni Fauny yung bola. To Benji again. Benji, sidestep. 2 points, Benji. One-hander shot by Benji. Kinaliwa niya from right to left. Genovia, kapos. Gozun, power move. Ayun kay Genovia, 5. Pasok ang bola kay 5. Genovia, 2 points. 6 minutes, 29 remaining. 3-8 ang score. Lamang po ng 5 ang Los Hermanos. Los Hermanos. James Dooms is watching already also. Raymond D-Mac is watching. Nice defense mounted. Again, si Gozun na naman umatake. Gozun slicing, dicing, and tapping. No good. Pawnee, wala, kapos, pakinggan. Benji, pakinggan, malakas. Rebound won by Gasto. Genovia, Gozun again. Gozun, Genovia, pops up. 2 points, Genovia. Lalabas pa. 5 minutes, 32 remaining. Second lineup yun, ihanda nyo na po. Maraming salamat po. Benji, driving, popping. No good, rebound. 29. Kapos. Nakuha ni 7. No, nakuha ni Genovia. Again, to number 17. Brascia driving. No good. Number 12. Benji slicing. 2 points Benji. Sumobra 2 points Benji. Shout out kay Genovia, ang mapagmahal ng Gabs. O gas yan, gas. 4 minutes 57 remaining. Second lineup coming up. Sino papasok para sa gas? Sino papasok para sa Hermanos? Again, sabi ni Alex sila, shout out kay Genovia, ang mapagmahal ng Gabs. And also kay James Nooms, shout out din siyo, sir. Second 5 po, second 5 please. Second 5. Okay, second 5 po, si number 15. Number 23 si Ian, 7, 2, 24, 16. Sobra kayo, Hermanos. Okay, second point naman po ng gas naman, pumasok lang si Mr. Kuya at si number 91. Retain po yung iba at si number 19. Retain si Gozun. Kuya. 7, Ramos. Palpal. Nice D by Gatos. Yari na yan. Back to back na ang brother ko. Samuel James Nooms. Jervis Armando, shoutout po siya, sir. Ian, 2 points. Slowly but surely, Hermanos pulling away. Palsis, Kuya driving. Good ball, walang tawag. Number 91. Gozun for 3. Tapos. Rebound battle won by Ian. Ian driving. Ian. 7. Number 2. Malakas. Shout out sa sir. Okay. Now, ayusin nyo, Team Kaz. Andyan pa ba kayo? Biryanit pa kayo bukas. Sabi ni James Nooms. Gozun. Kuya. 2 points, Kuya. Kuya, 2 points. Ayusin nyo, Team Gas. Biryanit ko kayo bukas. Sabi ni James Nooms. Oh, manalo din yata kayo. May pabiryanit bukas. 24, JP, no good. Number 91, to Palsis. Gozun sa ilalim, to Palsis. Ayun, nice slice, kapos. Number 91 again, 2 points, 91. Rodman, 91, 2 points. That's, hindi ko babasa. Navarro. Gek. Ian. Ian, may tangan ng bola. Ian. Number 7. Pops up for 2. No good. Number 91. To Gozun. 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 May tangan ng bola to Falses. Falses. 2 minutes 30 remaining. Gozun. Falses. Number 7. 2 points. Sayang. Kuya. For 2. No good. Rebound by Juan, pero may foul on Gatos. Number 91. Shooting for 2. Yan po si Mr. Hindi mabasa. Kapos. Valencia. That's Valencia. Number 91. Second throw, jumper ready. A 3-point lead being enjoyed by Hermanos. Second shot, Valencia. Pops up. Kapos. And rebound battle won by Get. 7. Up! Anong tawag, rep? Traveling violation daw ang tawag. Okay, now si Falses. Falses. Driving. Nako, sayang. One more time, Falses. Foul! It's a foul called. Falses, first shot. Wala. Second shot by Falses. A minute and 42 remaining. Chance to trim down the lead to 2 points. Wala pareho. JP to number 2 from number 7. Number 2 driving. Navarro, walang pinasahan. Nakuha ni Ian ang bola. Ian, nice trailing job. Pops up. Wala. And number 91 for the rebound. Kuya. Hounded. Number 91. Okay, chance now. Gozun. Wala pa rin. Timeout on Hermanos. Scott is watching. Okay. 9-12 ang score at a minute and 10 remaining sa ating first quarter action. You're watching now these teams. Gas versus Hermanos. And coming up next po is Hub versus Airport United. Okay. 2 shots awarded kay Gozun. 2 shots po. Per shot. Still missing the mark. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Gozun, second throw. Wala. And rebound, won by Hermanos to Ian. Ian now. May tayo ng bola. Ian! Wala. And nakuha ni number 91. Number 19, Falses. Falses, double teamed. Falses! Malakas. JP naka-rebound. JP naka-rebound. Navarro. Ian. Pops up. Ayaw muna niya. JP, running shot. No good. Eto, Gozun. Nag-isa lang. Gozun! Sa wakas, 2 points. Gozun. 9-12. Okay, 11-12 po tayo ngayon. A single point already enjoyed by Team Hermanos. Ian. 11 seconds remaining. 3-second violation. seconds. 2 seconds. Wala na. Okay, that's it. First quarter ended. The score is 11-12. Laman po ang Hermanos. Magbabalik po kami. Isa ilang saglit. Ito malalam dito. Pating pagod. Hindi ko mas malamang bench ang malulit ng Hermanos. Pero mga patak naman yung gas. Kaya malalam din natin dito. Malalaman after 2 quarters. Game. Okay, second quarter action start. Bola po ng Team Aviation Services or GAS. Bola po ng GAS. Thank you po. GAS ball. Salvador to Kuya. Kuya to Genovia. Nako, intercepted by Pakinggan. Nagmamadali. Pakinggan almost had the ball. And to 29. Benji driving. Dish of pass. Nakuha ni Palsis. Foul, Benji. Benji called for a foul. Girjonovia to Palsis again. Palsis. Binababa yung bola ni Palsis. Ayun, nakawala. Dish of pass. Same ball. Dish of pass, same ball po tayo. Same ball. Number 13. Genovia, wala. Palsis, foul rebound. No go, pero may foul. Who's foul rep? Number 12. Number 12 called for the foul. Palsis shooting for 2 and chance now to grab the lead after 2 buckets. Palsis first shot. Tapos. Okay, just to tie the ball game. 11, 12 at 8 minutes 57 remaining. Pops up. No good. And rebound di Kuya. Palsis. Number 5, Genovia. Number 17, Binyaw yung bala, pasok pa sana. 2 points again, 2 shots awarded kay Brassia. Again, a chance again for them to steal the lead. Brassia pops up. Kapos. Brassia, second shot, jumpers ready. And calling now Hub and Airport United. Pumunta na po kayo dito. Second quarter na po. Both baskets. Kuya, palpal. Foul. Kuya, 2 shots. Pops up. Yun. Catch there. Kuya, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Kuya, second free throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. Okay, lamang ang GAS. 13-12 ang score. 8 minutes 30 remaining. Second quarter action. GAS. Pakinggan against Genovia. Nawala ang bola. Kuya. Malakas. Palsis. Nagagawa ng dalawa. Palsis for 2. Bang! Sweet shot by Palsis. 15-12 ngayon pong score. Again, from a deficit of 5. Now, sila ngayon ang lamang ngayon ang GAS ng 3. And now, Pakinggan, palpal, Kuya. Nice trail job, Palsis. Kick pass intercepted by Benji. Forbes, number 15. Forbes, sidestep. What a play, pero di pumabot. Then to Falses. Kay Genovia, kapos. Rebound, number 12. Pakinggan. 2 points Pakinggan. 15-14. Lamang po ng isa pa rin po ang team Gas. Genovia nagbababa ng bola. Now to. Pinasahan niya po si Falses. Binabante ni Benji. Ayun. Si number 7. Falses for 3. Bang! What a shot by Falses. The score right now is 15-14. Masyadong maluwag. Ha? 15-14 nga ang score. Diba ano? Check lang po yan ha. 15-14 ang score daw, sabi officially. Pakinggan. Benji. Driving strong. Changing the angle. Nawala ang bola. One more time. Forbes, umano muna. Pakinggan for 3. No good. Benji nga. Benji 2 points. That's from Barts to Benji. Again, 15-16 ang score. Teka lang po. Okay, nire-review po yung score talaga. Okay, final score is 18-16. Official score po yan. Correction po tayo. 18-16. 3-point di Falses kanina yun. Yung nagpabigay na lamang talaga ng todo. Okay, now to Genovia. Ayan, Genovia again. Falses for 3. Nako, kapos. And now to Barts. Barts zigzagging its way to Benji again. Benji pops up. May palpal. May check yun. Kapos. Tumama sa board. Hop! Who's ball rep? Bola ng Gas. And a timeout call by Team Hermanos. Sabi po ni Babae, good evening po, Boss Anong. Teka, pambira to. Pambirang ano to. Okay. Anong quarter na po? Sir Babagay, second quarter pa lang po at 5 minutes 38 seconds remaining of the second quarter action. Maganda mag-ayos-ayos po kayo dahil kasi medyo matraffic po ngayon papunta po rito. Maraming salamat po. Okay, game start. Genovia for the inbound at 5 minutes 38 remaining. Genovia to Falses, number 19. Yan po nagbigay po ng kalamangan sa kanila kanina. Falses to Genovia. Shoutout naman dyan kay Boss Kuya, sabi ni Bamba. Pops up. Dope, ayaw niya. Kuya, rough play, 3-second violation ang tinawag sa kanila. Rough play sana yun. 3-second violation to tinawag sa kanila. Pakinggan, driving it strong, stripped away the ball. Malakas ang pasa kay Genovia. Balik muli sa Hermanos. Masyado malakas ang pasa kay Genovia. Dinahabol ni Genovia ang bola. Now to 5 minutes 8 seconds remaining. Benji, pumuposisyon. Binabantay ni Falses. Forbes, pops up. Kapos. Muntik na. Genovia. Number 37. Nako, stripped away by Forbes. Pakinggan. Kapos. One more time. Kuya, hustle game. Yes, sir. 2-on-3 situation. Pauses. Kuya, malakas. Number 17, malakas pa rin. Naku yung number 12 ang bola. Naku ni Falsis. No, it's Benji. Benji, turned around shot. Wala. Number 19. Nakuha. Same ball. Four minutes, 21 seconds remaining. Again, change 5 po tayo. Shoutout kay Boss Kuya, sabi ni Mr. Bamba. 4 minutes, 21 remaining. Second quarter action. 18-16 ang score. Team Gas ang lamang. 7. Ian. Navarro. JP. Pops up. No good. Nice one by number 7. Ramos sa rebound. Now to number 91. That's Valencia. Gozun. Gozun to Valencia again. Valencia. Pops up. Salvador. And now again. One more time. Lost the ball. Nice. Rebound by Valencia. Ayun kay Falsis. 2 points Falsis. Nice cut. A timely cut by Falsis. Giving that a basket. 20-16 na score pong yun. Team Gas ang lamang. Ian, nakalusot. Pops up. Malakas. Nakunig kayo. Gozun. Gozun. Kick basket. Falsis. Falsis. Fumbled. To Gozun again. Gozun. Thinking 3. Ayaw niya. Gozun. And one play ang gusto pala niya. Nice slicing drive by Gozun. Giving that end one play plus a bonus free throw at 3 minutes 13 seconds of the second quarter action. Pasensya po sa aking boses, parang galing sa Yungib. Ito po talagang venue po ngayon. Wala po gano'n kasi nga acoustics. Gozun, bonus free throw. Yes, sirree. Bonus play completed. 3 minutes 13 seconds remaining. 23-16 lamang po ng 7 ang Gas to Ian. Ian. Fauni. Navarro driving strong. Oh, foul. Falsis. Number 19, Falsis calls for the foul. 2 minutes 55 remaining. Falsis, binabantayan to Fauni, thinking 3, ayaw muna niya. To Navarro, no good. Rebound, naku, number 7, wala. One more time, Navarro, na pa rin, number 7, palpal, pero may foul. Los Hermanos enjoying many chance points, but they have to capitalize. Gatos, number 7, shooting for 2, for shot. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Gatos, pops up. Wala pa rin, pero pumasok. Pasok. Okay, 24-17 ang score po natin ngayon. Valencia. Driving, sidestep, ayun kay Gozun. No, 7, nakarebound. Nandun si Gozun, in-intercept ng bola. Gozun driving, lost the ball. Hop, same ball. Teka lang. Both teams, please, sa bench muna po kayo, please. Both teams po sa bench muna po. Maraming salamat po. Both teams, please on the bench muna po. Both teams, please on the bench. Maraming salamat po. Okay, kinokontest muli nila. Mukhang may mga taryang di ata natatarya. Teka lang po medyo morang ano. Okay, thank you. Minano kasi inaayos yung score yata. Baka may mga taryang di natatarya. Inaayos na po yung score. Pasensya na po. Okay. Okay, official score is 23-17 at 2 minutes 12 seconds remaining. Second quarter action. Pauni may tayo ng bola. 7. JP, and one play made by JP. JP, 2 points kagad ang tinarya. 23-19 plus a bonus free throw, possible 3-point play. Pops up. Wala. Saka buta. Ram. 7 to Gozun. Falsis. Binabati naman ni Ian ngayon. Dinedena yung possession kay Gozun. Kapos. Wala na. Okay, now Pauni. Ian. Pauni. Stop! Gozun! Wala! Malakas! Navarro gets Falsis. Hoy! Nauna ang hakbang sa tapak. Traveling violation called. Nauna ang hakbang sa tapak. Falsis, driving strong. Number 91 to Gozun. Ayun kay Falsis. 2 points, Falsis. Nice spotting ginawa ni Gozun sa open man. Now si Mr. Ian. May tangan ng bola. Ian, 53 seconds remaining. Ian pops up. And number 2, nag-agawa ng dalawa. Number 7, wala. Na number 7 naman ng Navarro, Ian. 2 points Ian. 25-21, a 4-point lead. Still enjoyed by Gas. Salvador, Falsis, number 19. Gozun, number 28. Pintaan ng bola. Driving strong. Ayaw muna. Ayun, kay number 7. Wala. Ayun kay Falsis. Wala rin. Okay, that's it. End of the first quarter action. Calling Hub and Airport United. Tapos na po ang first half. Pumunta na kayo rito. I repeat, Hub and Airport United. Tapos na po ang first half. Pumunta na po kayo dito. Maraming salamat po. You're watching right now General Aviation Services versus Los Hermanos. Second game basketball action sa ating Friday Night Basketball Night Special. And commentates po is Hub and Airport United to follow after the second game. This is your Aviation Friendly League, Doubles of Flying League. Third season na po tayo. Live po tayo ngayon sa Cambridge School, Hilal. And these are main sponsors, Red Needles and Team LBC, Hari ng Padala. And of course, SBB Pilipinas and PSBQ Basketball League. Maraming salamat po. And you're watching right now General Aviation Services and Hermanos. Halftime po tayo ngayon. Okay, ito na si Kuya. Kuya. Mr. Kuya for the inbound. Second quarter action. Second half na po tayo yung third quarter action. 25-21 ang score. Again, Kuya. Nako, lumusot! Kuya. Number 6, Rivera. Power mo, foul! Pambira, old school. Old school play na. Old school playbook. Rivero's 2 shots. First shot. Wala. Second throw. Jumpers ready para kay Rivero. Rivero, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Wala pareho. Naku, number 12. Iyan, nakalusot. Wow! Gozon pick up the foul. Ian inbounding. 25-21 at 9 minutes 37 seconds remaining. Benji. Ian for 3. Tapos. Kuya sa likod. Ayan na. Benji binitbit. Tapos. One more time. 29, palpal. Isa pa, palpal. Binuwat ang kalaban. 2 points. Ayusin mo, Armando Rivero. Nanonood si Dion Matthew Sila. Falses. Kuya, running shot. No good. Rebound battle by number 12. Ian, wala. Pero may foul. Mat, ang score po natin is 25-23. Lamang po ang gas ng dalawa. Okay, yan po yung dalawa din. Okay, Munoz. Good evening, sir. Okay, second shot. Jumpers ready. Chance to tie the ball game sa wakas. Back to 0 po tayo. Pag tabla to, wala. And nando si number 12, Palkal. Number 12 shooting for 2 out of 12 from Kuya. Okay, chance not to take the lead again after these 2 shots if he made. First shot. Wala. Okay, tabla lang. Itabla lang ang laban. Itabla lang daw yung laban. Itabla lang ang laban. Yan ang gusto nila. Pops up. Pasok. Okay, tabla. 25 all. 25 all. Binabantay naman ni Benji si Gozun. Gozun hounded by Benji. Rivero. Rivero, double team. Double team. Gozun for 3. Bang! 3 points, Gozun. Ian. Bartz. JP. Driving strong. Kapos. Raul. Palpal. Pero may foul. (28-25) of the 3-point shot ni Gozun. And Raul again shooting for 2 at 7 minutes 57 seconds remaining of the third quarter action. Hub Lounge, nasa na po kayo? Calling Hub Lounge in Airport United. Punta na po kayo dito. Maraming salamat po. Second shot, jumpers ready. Para kay Raul. Pamasok. 28-27 ang score. Rivero. Rivero may tangan ng bola. Gozun. Gozun against Benji. Gozun picking up the pick. Ayun, number 17. Wala, hindi labas. 24. JP to Ian. Ian, baseball pass. Okay, nilabas muna kay Benji ang bola. Benji thinking 3. Nope, long to lang gusto niya. Wala. And nandun si Raul. Wala pa rin. Nakuli Falses ang bola. Falses. Falses securing the ball. 17. Falses nasa likod. Buntik na. Antok na ako ngayon. Ayusin nyo, gas ang para manalo, sabi ni Armando. Antok na ako, ayusin nyo, gas ng manalo, sabi ni Armando. Okay, now Benji to Mr. Ian. Ian, may tangan ng bola to 29. Bartz, Kapos. Rebound battle won by number 17. 17, may tangan ng bola. 17. Falses against Ian. Falses. 17. Ayun. Kay Rivero. Wala. Nandun. Nagkagawan sila. Benji. 2 points, Benji. Okay, lamang muli po ang Hermanos ang isa. Hermanos leading by 1 point. 5 minutes 58 remaining. Gozun! Oy! Ouch. Blocking foul called on number 24. That's JP. 2 shots para kay Mr. Gozun. Gozun, first shot. Nope. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready para kay Gozun. Wala pareho. Ayun, si Rivero. Ayun, kay 17. Muntik na. Okay, number 17 naman yan on the free throw line. Okay, labas-pasok muna po. Okay, Gozong, pahinga muna si Gozong para sa fourth quarter. Number 7, pumalit. Brasha shooting for 2. Okay, pumasok din si number Kapos. JP nagpapalit muna para kay Navarro. Pops up. Wala. Rebound by Raul. Ian. Uy! Bumangga sa pader. Aray, matsakit. Okay, labas muna si Rivero para kay number 91, si Valencia. Ian shooting for 2. First shot ni Ian. Wala. Second throw ni Ian, jumpers ready. Ian, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Wala. Rebound ni Kuya. What a rebound by Kuya. And to Valencia. Valencia nakalusot. Valencia! Wala. Rebound di number 12. Benji naman yun. Benji. Raul. Number 12 to Benji again. Pops up. Ian. Talpal. Pero may foul. Foul says. Called for the foul. Ian took shooting for 2. Ian shooting for 2. Okay. Shooting for 2. Ian. First shot ni Ian. First shot. Wala. Second throw just to extend the lead. Second free throw, please. Pasok. Okay, 2 points. Lead by Hermanos. Sabi ni Babagay, anong quarter na po? At oras, sir, 5 minutes remaining. Third quarter action. Kapos. 5 minutes remaining na po. Third quarter action, Mr. Babagay. Nandito na yung mga kampi mo. Ikaw na minintay. Pakinggan. Power move. Wala, pero may foul. Pakinggan, shooting for 2. Pakinggan, number 8, shooting for 2. First shot. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready para ipakinggan. Pasok. 3-point game. Number 7. Number 19. Hop! May foul. Foul committed. Kuya for the inbound. Kuya. Ayun, kay 91. Hey! Sayang. Good ball. Yun! What a tough break kanina doon. Buti na lang, ibawi ka agad. Pakinggan. Number 8. Driving strong. 2 points, Pakinggan. Number 8. Delay the game. Warning. Dave Paredes watching. Dave, nasaan ka na? Again, number 91, Valencia almost had it. Penalty situation, Hermanos. 3 minutes 31 remaining. Penalty situation, Hermanos. Valencia shooting for 2. Valencia shooting for 2. Pops up. Nope. Second shot, jumpers ready. 30-33 score. Second shot, jumpers ready. Pops up. Uy! Good ball! Malakas ang pasa kay Gozun. Kapos! Foul! Easy lang. Chill lang tayo. It's in the game. Pakinggan shooting for 2. Participation also, Team Gas. 3 minutes 11 seconds remaining, 30-30 score. Pakinggan, first shot made. Jumpers ready para sa Team Hermanos. Pops up. Wala, labi nilabas. Genovia, nakalusot. Genovia, strong, clutch shooting, wala. Gek. Rebound ni Gek. Again, to Benji again. Benji, pumposisyon. Benji, saan ka pupunta to Gek? What a Gek. Benji, may tangan ng bola. Ian, pops up for 3. No good. Rebound, yung pass is possible. Hop! Held ball situation. Same ball. Ian, may tanang bola. Ayan, si Benji. Kumuha ng pick. Ian, pops up for 2. No good. Rebound ni Pakinggan. 2 points Pakinggan. 2 points Pakinggan. Pops up. Malakas. Pulses. 2 points. 32-36. Nakalisot si Benji against Gozun. White ball. Falses. Genovia. Kuya. For 2. Bang! Kuya 2 points. 34-36 Kuya. 34-36 Gozun against Benji. Binabantayan. To Pakinggan. Now Ian. 2 points Ian. Sa ball, mali yung pinasahan. 40 seconds remaining. Iyan na naman. Wala nilabas. Kuya, Falses, may tayo ng bola. Falses, zigzagging move. Gozun. Sayang, foul. Benji. Gozun shooting for 2. Pasok. Second shot. Wala. Rebound. Gozon. Ayaw mo na nga. Gozon. Ayun. Palpal. Same ball. Kuya. Gozon for 3. Malakas. Raul. 7 seconds remaining. Okay, gas ball, gas ball. Nice D by Gozon. Kuya, wala na. End of the third quarter action. The score is 35-38. Lamang pa rin po ang Hermanos. Magbabalik po kami sa ilang saglit. Okay, Rivera for the inbound. Position. Valencia. Rivero pops up. Nope. Rebound battle won by Hermanos. Stepping violation. Stepping violation po ang Hermanos. Gozon. Foul! Who's foul rep? Number 2 called for the foul. Brassia shooting for 2. 35-30 pong score po natin. First shot. No good. Second throw. Jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Wala. Rebound di number 12. Almost had by Gozon. And to number 2. 24, JP. Kapos. Ay, one more time. Wow! And you want play pa. Nice shot by JP. Walang takot, walang kaba. JP, second shot. Jumpers ready. Bonus free throw lang po ito. Sabi ni Manapat, pakipasok po si Idol Norman Navarro, ang Kapampangan sniper. Pops up. Nope. Ayun, one more time. JP again. Forbes, 2 points Forbes. Nine minutes remaining. Valencia, palpal. Number 6, palpal, pero may foul. Sabi ni Manapat, pakipasok si Norman Navarro, ang Kapampangan sniper. Sino ba yung Norman? Nakapasok sir, number 2, no? Ayun, si number 2. Oh, number 2 na yun, no? Oh, yung Kapampangan sniper, nandiyan pala. Okay, the score is 35-42, a 7-point lead. A 7-point lead enjoyed by Hermanos. Manapat. Oh. Sabi na Manapat, ipasok ka daw, yung Kapampangan sniper. Oh, Sir Manapat, nakapasok naman, sir. Oh, ayun, si number 2. Ayun, ayun, naglalakad pa mata rito. Yan, number 2. Love you, Navarro. Sabi naman Manapat. Putang. Rivero, first shot. It's in. Rivero, second throw. Jumpers ready. Rivero, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. It's out. No, it's in. It's in. 37-42. A 5-point lead been posted. Forbes. Nakalusot. Forbes. No good. Gozun. No. Hoy! Foul. Trap lang tayo, mga trap lang. Team Gas, sabi ni James Looms. Sabi niya. Trap daw, sabi. Trap. Bitag. Okay, trap po tayo. Ito na naman. Nice one. Kapos! Forbes against Falses. Forbes sa kalusot. JP number 29. Driving strong. Nope. And JP set shot. 2 points. JP set shot. 2 points ang ginawa niya. Number 17. Malakas. Nakuha ni Ian. 2 points Ian. Hoy! Falses, check and pick. Ayun, kay Rivero driving. Ayun, kay number 91. Malakas pa rin. Hinawakan, niyakap. Seven minutes, 24 seconds remaining. 37-46, lamang ng siyam. 9-point lead being enjoyed by Team Hermanos. Ayun, nakalusot. Gozun 2 points. Gozun 2 points. Navarro, shake and pick, driving. Walang pinasahan. Foul! Who's foul? JP. Tinuro ka ng guard. Tinuro ka. Ikaw palang foul. Ang end sa timeout. Commit timeout na po tayo ng Hermanos. 6 minutes, 55 seconds remaining. The score is 39-46. Lamang po ang Hermanos ng 7. Magbabalik kami. Genovia, Falses to Genovia, and not to Gozun. For 3, no good. Number 91, Maladen. Isa pa, dinukot, wala pa rin. Nice. Number 24, nice rebound by number 24. Now to Benji Escuya. Nakalusot. Oh, muntik na. Forbes. wala. Benji, nandun! Wala! Good ball. Falses. Kapos. Isa pa. 2 points. Time out. Injury timeout called. Naalog yung tuhod. Injury timeout called. Number 91. Bumagsak. Trap nyo mga guys. Okay. 4-2 and 46. Laman lang po na 5 yan. Okay. Number 91. Papalitan muna. Naalog yata yung tuhod. Hindi pwede yun. Hindi pwede ibanan. Masakit po talaga yan. Okay. Number 91. Pahinga muna siya. Ball possession. Ball possession ng Hermanos. Benji, wala. Benji, trapping na. On trap na. Nagtatrap na ang gas. Benji against Gozud. Forbes, no good. Rebound, the number 17. Kuya. Genovia, may tayo ng bola. To Falses. Wala. Rebound battle won by Raul, number 12. And good ball. Benji, malakas. Raul, nilabas mo ng bola. Kapit. Pasok! Kuya, palpal! Genovia for 2. Wala. Rebound ni Falses. Ayun! Wala pa rin! Falses! 2 points, Falses. Hirap. Iyan. Walang pinasasing na Iyan. Out! Number 5. Kuya. 2 points, Kuya. 44, 45, 48. Laman po ng 3. Tao-tao pa rin yan. They're now harassing everybody now. Eto na po sila. Hop! Foul, Kuya. Benji for the inbound. Sabi ni John Louis. Bigyan na mong talban. Timeout called by Team Hermanos. Score Idol, sir. Ang score po natin is 45-48. Laman po ng Hermanos ng 3. Yan, at John Louis. 45-48. Hermanos. Laman po ng 3. Pre, nakita. Kalamig si Scott. Maglaro si Scott yata doon yun. Sabi niya.
Sige lang.
Okay, Benji now for the inbound. Benji inbounding. Ginawa kay JP. Kay Benji muli. Benji, nakalusot. Benji is Kuya. 45-48. Nakuha ng pick. Benji! Wala! Hellball situation! Okay, bola po ng gas. Bola ng okay, bola ng Hermanos. Depensa ang gas. Gas on the defense. Gas. Hop. Ayun. Manen pasa. Kuya, foul by Benji. Benji called for a foul. Minutes 23 remaining. 45-48. Ano nangyari? Kuya, pulses. Kuya again. Ram. Pops up, malakas. Benji, triple teamed. Pakinggan, double teamed. Raul, palpal. Not today, sabi ni Mr. Palsis. Not today. Again, nabab. Sino ba to? Pakinggan. And one play pa. Pamira yun. O teka, wala kang practice. Team Oman? Okay. Saan pumunta ba si Reggie? Saan pumunta? Kaya ka namin. Panalo kami. The first game. Wala pa. Wala na. Bahay lang. Okay, pakinggan. Bonus free throw coming up. Pasok! Sayang. 45-51. 6 points lead. Okay, milking the clock na po ang Hermanos. Hermanos. JP, 2 points. Sabi talaga tayo. Ano kaya kay Yorme? Baboy. Tama na, dahil sino kasi. May nagbabahinga ako doon. May mga pusa kasi.
Tapos sabi ko, punta ka sa bahay kanina.
Wala na yan. Kano nga. Busy ako. Ito na. 2 minutes 16 remaining. 45-53. Lamang na 8. Go zone. Number 5. Nope. Patalo! Patalo! Oy! Patalo sa play! Same ball. Roll in for the inbound. Roll for the inbound. Pakinggan. Roll. Ano maglaro si Masbang? Wala si Roy. Bakasyon ka.
Talo ang ano?
Talo yung contact center sa ano sa Pure Tower.
Magandang pwesto namin.
Talo. Foul! Tado contact center. Tinambakan.
Nabago na? Nabago na nga.
Tinambakan ng ano, ng contact. tinambakan ng pure power ng Bataan Center. Benji. Ayun, JP, 2 points din. 1 minute 22 remaining. 45-55. 10-point lead pa Hermanos. Genovia for 3. Bang! 3 points. May pag-asa pa yan. Ayun nga lang, Ian. Yay! Ako po. Genovia again, Genovia. Genovia. Goes on for 3. No good. Falsis, wala pa rin. Falsis, nag-fumble, kapos. Final try ni Kuya. 42 seconds remaining. Good ball, good ball. Gozun. Driving straight. Wala pa rin. Number 7. And to Genovia. No good. One more time. Genovia again. Kapos. Sapa! Gozun. 2 points. 3 points. Gozun. Gozun, 3 points. 51-55. Apat lang yan. Foul. Take 2. Penalty situation. Just to stop the clock. GT comes. Ano usapan natin? Di ba, Kamo? Gimak. Gimak. Dito. Okay, pasok. Second shot. 51-56. Second shot. Wala si Grama? Wala si Grama naman yun. Pops up. Basket, no good. Falsis. For 3. Foul. 2 seconds remaining. Well, gallant stand by me. I think it's a gallant stand by Gas, pero still Hermanos prevailed. Well, just wait for final activities. Okay, 56-51. Okay, concede na yung tansya ko. Mathematically, ano na talaga, imposible talaga. Ian again. Okay. Okay, that's it. Gas concedes. Final score, 51-58. A 7-point lead advantage. Winner, Los Hermanos. Okay, family picture po, boss. Salamat. Los Hermanos. Ian. Family picture. Ian. Picture. Okay. Final score 51-58. Pakibalance lang po, pakibalance lang. Final score 51-58. Winner, Los Hermanos. Pakibalance na po, sir. Pakibalance lang. Kundi upo ba? Upo na lang, Pipa. Upo na lang.
Huwag lang cover yung score.
Huwag i-cover score. Huwag i-cover score. Yan. Okay, Hermanos. Winner 51-58. Win number. Okay, sino pa best player, sir? Sino pa best player? Sino pa best player? Sino? Okay, Pakinggan. Best player pala si Mr. Pakinggan. Oh, Pakinggan, halika rito. Sisikat kayo sa akin. Halika rito. Oh, halika rito. Ayan ha. Layo ng konti. O, ayan. Lakas ng konti ha. Sir Pakinggan, congratulations for winning the best fight. Also, nakita po natin yung mga crucial 8 points ko. Yun ang panalo sa inyo. Ano masasabi mo, sir?
Sir, galing pa yan kay Paring Luka.
Kay Paring Luka?
Oo, sir. Talagang pinatama ko sa LA.
Okay, sila pa.
Sila kasi Paring Lebron.
O, sila pa.
Talaga. Sila talaga ang nag-inspire sa akin.
Okay.
Paring Lebron at si Paring Luka.
O, sige, sir. O, sir, ano pa masasabi sa sila rin? Talaga medyo pupukan talaga.
Medyo sir, medyo dikit. Pero yung team, confident. Kailangan sir talaga tumutulong.
O, sige, sir. Ilang laro lang sa nadala mo sa laro nyo?
Tatlo pa ba?
Baka what expect to the last 3 games ng Los Hermanos.
Sir, ang expectation talaga ng team, championship.
Okay,
Yun talaga sir, medyo nagpapatalo lang kami para yung seating namin mababa.
Parang nagpapagat po pala kayo.
Oo sir,
Okay, sir. 1 minute, sir. Shoutout pa, sir. Sige.
Shoutout sa Qatar Airways.
1 minuto yan.
Okay na yun sir. Tagaalaman, shoutout. Kay Paring Onjay.
Okay. Ano pa? Pag-apenja, magsalita ka.
Hindi, lang.
Wala, no comment. O, Ian, ikaw na Ian. O, Ian. Ang masasabi mo, Ian? Ian. Ang masasabi mo? Halika. Ha? Bumawi daw. Okay.
Siya yung nagpatalo ng nakaraan eh.
Oo nga, buti lang nga. Okay. Winner pa, kamay na lang kayo. Yan po ang winner for the game. Los Hermanos. Kamay na po kayo. Thank you po. 3, 2, 1.